How do we sort through the important differences between having an attorney and having a mediator, and understanding when and how to involve them in your family law case? Start by understanding that attorneys and mediators serve two fundamentally different purposes. I'm Ryan Reed. I'm a mediator with Cedar Ridge Solutions Family Mediation Service, and I know that especially for folks who are considering a divorce or custody case and looking for an amicable path, one of the common questions is whether one of them or both of them maybe need to lawyer up and have someone specifically on each side. Or do they need a mediator to help both sides find a compromise? It's a great question, and as a family law attorney and an experienced mediator here in South Central Kentucky, I have a few thoughts on how to make sure you arrive at the right starting point for your case. The basic point is that an attorney and a mediator serve two fundamentally different purposes. And this difference is especially important if you're trying to be strategic in what kind of professional you select to bring into your case. Think of an attorney as an advocate. Their primary goal is advocacy and protection for one of the parties, for one spouse or parent or the other, but never for both. An attorney's role is to stand in your corner, protect your individual rights in and out of court, and provide you with confidential legal advice specific to your situation under Kentucky law. You need an attorney when you need someone to represent your specific interests and guide you toward the best legal resolution for your case. A mediator, on the other hand, is a neutral third party. Their primary goal is facilitation and resolution for both parties. A mediator doesn't take sides. They don't make decisions the way a judge would. That's not the mediator's role. Instead, their job is to help both sides explore options and, if possible, to reach a voluntary, mutually acceptable agreement outside of a courtroom. It's important to remember that a mediator does not offer legal advice to either person and is not empowered to make binding decisions for you. You need a mediator when both you and the other party are willing to talk and you want a structured, confidential process to resolve your disputes while avoiding the costs and stress of a litigated case. So, which professional is right for you? You should choose an attorney consultation if you need someone to represent you immediately in a divorce, custody, or child support case, if you've been served with court papers and need to file a formal legal response, or if you simply need clear, confidential legal advice on your rights and obligations before you make any big decisions. On the other hand, you should schedule a mediation session if you and the other party want to avoid court hearings and are willing to talk and find solutions. Or if you already are maybe represented by an attorney, but you need a neutral professional to help negotiate a settlement between the two sides. Mediation is also a great fit if you've already agreed on major issues, but maybe you need some help or support finalizing the complex details like a parenting schedule or asset division. If you need a mediator, someone to help you try and find the most constructive path forward, then try Cedar Ridge Solutions.